I'm here at Aqua Salon in downtown Royal Oak on 4th and Main Street, one of my favorite places to get my hair done. I'm standing with the co-owner, Julia Nicolaou. Thank you for being with us today, Julia.
Thank you, Fallon. Good having you.
So tell us about Aqua Salon.
Well, Aqua Salon, we've been in business for over 20 years. Actually, Aqua Salon been established 5 years ago, and within these 5 years we've rapidly grown into 3 different locations, which are in Farmington Hills, West Bloomfield, and this is our newest location in downtown Royal Oak, with 2 more locations opening soon.
So what makes you different from other salons?
It's not the physical look of the salon, what's different about it, it's the atmosphere in the salon, the atmosphere between the client and the stylist, and definitely the services and the prices that our salon has to offer.
I've definitely noticed a difference with the atmosphere. It's very at home, very comfortable, and the stylists are all friendly, and I definitely agree with you on that. So what's so different about the prices? Tell me.
Well, we specialize in hair color. This is our specialty. Even though all of our locations are full-service salons, we try to narrow our specialty down to hair color and anything that has to do with hair color, such as color corrections or highlight services.
What is it that you guys do to keep clients coming back?
Well, Fallon, as I mentioned, atmosphere is very important, and we try to keep it very warm and friendly with our customers. However, what makes them coming back is our services. We provide professional services at a very affordable prices. We strongly encourage everybody to stop doing hair color at home out of the box, because this is not the best way to go.
Definitely not. Don't do it. I know that you have some $15 gift cards for new clients. What's that all about?
Well, you know what? We actually offer a lot of new specials for our new clients, and those are all available on our website, which is salonaqua.com. The website itself is very interactive and offers a lot of different promotions and giveaways. So I strongly encourage everybody to go and check out our website.
So tell me, what are the affordable prices exactly?
Well, our hair color starts at $39.95, and you will not believe it, but we truly charge $39.95 for hair color service and $49.95 for highlights, and that's unheard of.
Do you guys ever have any special events?
We always try to do some kind of a special events, and we also try to coordinate them with the community, so anytime we can help the community, that always counts.
Thanks, Julia, for spending time with us today. That's it for Aqua Salon in Royal Oak, my favorite place to get my hair done.